Hey, my name is Tilla and welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to fix your Home Assistant container. All of a sudden it doesn't work after an update. I just want to show you here. Let's open my Home Assistant web page, and for some reason it wouldn't work anymore because I recently did an update. All right, let's access my Home Assistant server sitting inside one of the closet. HAOSS, my username, and then of course my password. All right, and I just want to show you the version of Ubuntu. I think LSB release. All right, so that 2204. So that's Focal. That's my Ubuntu version, and then here's my Docker version. As you can see, I don't know whether it's the latest one or not, but that's what it is. And then I did a pull on my Docker image, and then it's not working anymore. Let me show you. Uh, okay, Docker image and list. All right. All right, so I have the latest version of the Home Assistant, uh, 2204.12.1. I want to show you list cd. I set up the way I put everything inside this Docker folder. Let's list, and so I have all these kind of Docker image inside my Docker. So every settings inside these folders. So Home Assistant is one of them. Let's take a look at my Docker Compose. Let's see, Nano. As you can see, my Home Assistant image stable. If I put stable, the same thing, it will load the latest one and the really stable one, 12.1. And this image, for some reason, wouldn't work with my systems. I don't know why, but it is what it is. And then I have to downgrade this Home Assistant to 2024, I think 9. Let's see, I think 9. And there's 1, 2, 3. I think I'm not sure if 3 is my latest one, a usable one. Let's try it. Let's see 3. So let's see if it works. All right, so let's save it, Control X, and then save it. Yes. Write it. All right, so now it's written. I need to delete the old version of the image. Docker image list. I'm gonna delete this image. First of all, I'm gonna stop it, but and then Docker Compose, remove Home Assistant. I can do this. No stop container. Let's stop it. Let's stop that container, and then do a remove that container. Select yes. So removed. Let's see, Docker list image ls. Still in here, so let's remove this one as well. There. All right, Docker RMI dash F, and then the image ID of that container. Let's copy this. Hit back. Highlight this one on your keyboard and hit right click to copy that into this place. All right, Docker remove image, force that image out of the systems. So let's do that. All right, so a whole bunch of things coming up. So basically it deleted from your computer that image. And now because we fixed the Docker Compose, now we're gonna do a pull Docker Compose and pulling the Home Assistants with that version 2204.9.3. I remember. Couple of seconds, I'm gonna pull that image into the system, and then we can start that container by doing Docker Compose up. Just wait for a couple of seconds. Hopefully, when it downgrade the container to the previous version, it will start my Home Assistant. The latest one, the stable one, wouldn't start. I don't know why. I don't have time to investigate why. But by downgrading the Home Assistant to a previous version, my system will function the way it's supposed to be. A couple of more seconds. So it's when it's finished, do a Docker compose up, and then D mean detach. Basically, it tells the container to run in the background. So it's creating the Home Assistant container and it's running. So we'll see if it's finished. Let it do its job. Let's see if it works. Starting and then start it. Let's go back to my page and refresh. Now I got all kind of wait until it's starting. All right, so let's refresh. Yeah, it seems to work now. Not everything is available yet, but yeah, that's how it works. I just downgrade the Home Assistant container, not the latest one, not a stable one. I wish I know what's underneath. Just go into settings and take a look at the about. So this is the core version of it, and this is the front end 22040909.1. So happy. So that's how I recover my Home Assistant container. I just want to show it to you here. Docker, let's see, nano .yml. So this is my image that I'm pulling it from. Before I hit this and it wouldn't work even though that is stable. So that's it, guys, and that is how to fix your Home Assistant container to start up properly. I know that I have to fix this one, my Nest thermostat, but that's not configured properly. That's why. But at least it's running now. Okay, hope you like the videos. That's how you fixed it. And until then, see you next time. Bye bye.